Oh, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's 49 degrees. Susan and Fluffy are looking out the window. Annabella's kind of there too. See if they're ready to come out. At least there's no wind, so that'll be good. Let's see what happens. Like the doorknob. There's a little custom doorknob put on there. Well, not custom, but picked out special for the ladies. And I can't. There we go. And here we go. And I'll just leave it. There we go. And nothing happened. Oh, wait. Yeah, of course. Good morning, Annabella. Good morning. Morning, Susan. No, don't blame you. I wouldn't want to get up either. Maybe if I step out of the coop, they'll come. I doubt it. Oh, there's pecking going on in there. Oh, I'm rustling around. And someone told Annabella, you're supposed to go first. Come on. Babies, are you coming? Come on, Fluffy. Come on out. Here, I'll come out of the coop. Will that make it easier or harder? I might have to go in and get Tootie. I don't want to miss anything. Alright, let's see. I'll come out and see if that's easier. Somebody's little head. And yawning. Alright. What if I go get your Tootie? Will you come out if I get Tootie? I'm gonna go get your Tootie once you guys get out. He's coming. They like it in there. Hi. Are you guys gonna come out? Oh, come on out, sweetie. I ain't helping you. Nope. You're supposed to do it yourself. You'll be hungry. Here's Annabella. Here she comes. Come on, sweetie. Alright, let's see. Oh, wait. Here we go. Once one of them goes, I think they'll all go. Susan and Annabella. Oh, Susan's going to go first. Then Annabella will jump out on her because she can't have her go first. Oh, here we go. Oh, Susan's first. Nice, Susan. Oh, lovely, Susan. So graceful. Annabella's noticed the doorknob. It's just a nice flower. Oh, Susan's down. Oh, there goes Annabella. Oh, we got two down. Hello, ladies. Annabella says, now where's the Tootie you promised? Just a minute. Fluffy, here you go. pooped. There's Fluffy. Oh, she's going to come right off the edge. Whoa, whoa. Here she comes. Yay, Fluffy. Eagle, are you coming, sweet pea? Let's see how Eagle does. This ought to be interesting. Come on, sweetie pie. Here you go. Oop, 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 oop. Well, you know. Y'all made it. Yay! Alright, I'll go get your tutu. I left it inside. I'm already over here pecking. And the fella says I'm starved.